Alright, so welcome to today's video. I'm working on steering today. Last time I started doing steering stuff, I couldn't tie it together down at the bottom because I didn't have the right pieces. All my pieces have come in. It's time to get rid of the wobble and to get it tied to the tires to where it will actually steer from a steering wheel. Let's get to work. Let's figure out some videos and some time lapse. So this is the parts. This is the original steering column. I bought some bearings, but they just go right through. But these bearings fit the shaft. So I found a piece of pipe, and it fits inside the steering column, and the bearing doesn't fall through. So I'm going to cut off a chunk, remount the hole, make this bearing fit, and then that chunk will be slipped into the steering column, and then we'll have to get it to the double D and connect it and all kinds of magic. There's my pieces. Let's get them done. Time lapse.
Alright, so I gotta remove that seat, take off the steering column, again, and again, and again. I feel like I take off stuff every time I do a video, and no, not my clothes. So here is my portaband, cut off this little piece of pipe that I mentioned. I gotta put it in the lathe. Then you're gonna see me struggle with my lathing skills. Anybody who knows how to lathe knows I don't know how to use a lathe. I just put a boring bar on there and I get stuff out of the way, I guess. So anybody who would like to critique me or guide me to some good lathe videos, go ahead, because I suck at using my own lathe. But I get stuff done, and well, really that's all I care, is that at the end of the day my stuff worked. I'm test fitting the bearing because apparently I don't believe in measuring things. And taking out the shaft, fitting in cleaning up the edges, making sure the piece fits in. And now I'm going to show you how I work on the ground. Drill the hole clear through. Now I'm going to bolt it. Permanent bolting. Welded. So I just drilled some holes in there and welded that little sleeve in. All it's got to do is stay in place. A couple welds is all I needed. I built a little punch out of the piece of pipe. Banged that bearing in there. Took off some of the old steering blinker stuff. Like none of it works. I probably won't use it anyway. I'll just use a column mounted steering, or blinkers. Yeah, and then I get it all assembled, and I got my retaining nut on there. Everything's looking pretty good. Now this is my Astrovan piece, and it's a telescoping joint, I guess you'd call it, but it's too long, so I cut it off. That way my telescoping is less telescopic-y. Yes. So now that I got that cut down and such, all is good. Now this piece, the original Astrovan has a retention bolt, so the double D has like a notch in it. Mine is just a double D, so I had to drill a hole where I mill it kind of with a drill bit to where the bolt would fit through to where I create that. I gotta do some reinforcement of my steering components to make sure nothing falls off. I don't know if you guys have had your steering column fall apart while you're driving. I haven't, but I have had the steering wheel fall off when I was in high school. Not fun, scary as can be, easy to fix. But now what I'm doing is I'm marking the inner shaft where it lined up with. So now you can see my inner shaft, mark, cut. Now I gotta put the double D on there instead of a round shaft. So what I gotta do is take it all back apart, and I'm trying to mark from the sides to center. Once I have center, I measure it out to the double D, and then I put it in my mill. Super accurate measuring skills again. Mostly you see my super serious face. That's how you know I measured correctly. That's kind of close. Yeah, yeah. Oh, flip it over. And I basically just kind of was like, yep, looks kind of close, and I ran it. Because, it's only your steering components, it's not that technical. With a serious face like that, man, how could you mess it up? So I just keep cruising and cruising, and I got it to fit on there a little bit snug, so I took a file to make it a little prettier, put this thing all back together, and voila, there's my steering column with a double D shaft now, but I gotta retain it somehow, so I drilled a hole through it. It got really hot, so I put some gloves on. Then I drilled through it. Now I'm safe. Almost drilled my hand, but I put a little bolt on there. The steering shaft needed a little adjustment, and clamped it in, set it all down there. I don't know about you. I got a steering column. Oh yeah, that piece was in the way. I had to cut it off, but it couldn't get the grinder in there. But anyway, there you go.
All right, so today I did get the steering done. I need to still get a carrier bearing for down below. You can see that it's wobbly, but if I put a bearing right about here, that will fix it to where it can't wobble. You can't have that much play when you're driving, or else you won't be able to stay in your lane. When I did my 52 Coronet, I thought I had my steering good. Then I got driving down the road, and no, it wasn't good. I had to put a carrier in it. So I'm going to do a carrier on this. I don't have one. I got to get one ordered. Once I get it, I'll get her done. Other than that, steering's good. It doesn't pop anymore. It twists. It's good. It's tight. Steering is figured out. On to the next thing. I think it's the dash. I don't know. Hopefully you guys like this video. Let me know what you think. Did I do good? Did I do bad? I gotta know what you think. Let me know. You guys have fun. Get to work.
All right. I went a week in the future. Notice, watch it. Steering. It's not no longer wiggle waggling. See the tires moving? It's kind of hard to see, but I did stuff. I got all the pieces. It's bound up a little. I gotta still finesse this a little bit more. But you can see here is the carrier that I put in. It's just tacked right now, but I just wanted to make it hold it, see if it even worked. You can see the joints up in there. And most importantly, you can see the tires move. Boom. This is what you need to do donuts in a car. And go the other way. It gets bound up a little bit. Hits my jack, almost falls out. I almost dropped this thing. Send it.